Hello, Colorado. It's attorney Timothy Dudley at your favorite law firm, Johnson Law Group. We know that families come in many forms, including step-parents. Step-parents play a vital role in the welfare of their stepchildren, and often step-parents wonder, can I adopt my stepchildren? And the answer is yes, so let's talk about step-parent adoptions. First, what exactly is a step-parent adoption? Legally, that is where a step-parent becomes the legal parent of the stepchild. So what are the advantages of step-parent adoption? For the child, it provides legal security. For example, the child can then inherit from the step-parent. The child can also enjoy benefits, say through the parent's employer, that they wouldn't have been able to enjoy before. For the parent, the step-parent is gaining more say and more authority in the upbringing and raising of the child. And for the family as a whole, it strengthens the family bond. It gives a greater sense of wholeness and integration that the family is now one. So if you're interested in step-parent adoption, you need to know, are you eligible? There are 3 requirements. One is that you be married to the child's parent. Second, you need to be 21 years or older. And third, you need to reside in Colorado and reside in the county in which you are filing for the adoption. So the next part is consent. You'll need consent from 3 people. One from the custodial parent, and that's the parent you're married to. Second is from the other parent, the non-custodial parent. And third, if the child is 12 years of age or older, the court will likely want to confirm their consent in the courtroom. So putting all that information together, you're ready to start the adoption process. There are 4 initial steps. One is talking to an attorney. We highly recommend that you do that. The process can be difficult. The second step then is preparing and filing the required documentation, such as the petition for adoption. The third step is background checks and also usually a home study. And fourth is a hearing with the court, where finally the judge can review the case and then the court will make a ruling. So step-parent adoption can be very exciting. But that's one reason you want to talk to an attorney to make sure it all goes smoothly. So call us today at Johnson Law Group for a free consultation.
Divorce ends marriages, not families. Call us at 720-445-4444 or visit our website at johnsonlgroup.com.